Hey guys, Andrethefarmer here, and today I'm going to show you guys how we harvest these bananas. But first I'm going to tell you a little bit about bananas. These are Mona Lisa bananas. It's my first rack, so it's the first time I'm going to get to taste them. Now, you want to pick bananas when you start to see the first ones ripen. So the first ones ripened a couple days ago, but I haven't had a chance to get down here and pick these, and I've been hoping that the critters wouldn't get them before I got them. So the other thing you need to know is that a banana plant has many stalks. So this is one stalk, behind it is another stalk. So once a stalk has produced a rack of bananas, it won't flower again. It's done. It's not going to produce again. So what we do is we take that stalk down, we chop it down. So people think you're chopping down your banana tree. You're really just chopping off a branch of a bigger plant. So the next stalk that takes its place, that's going to be the next one to produce. And when it produces, it's going to produce more pups, and they will produce in the future. So let's get to it. Let's go ahead and harvest this rack. So harvesting the rack is pretty simple. We're just going to basically chop this off right about, I would say, let's chop it off. We'll chop it off right about here if we can. There we go. So we've got our rack of bananas. Now we've got to chop our tree down, which is going to be a little bit difficult because we've got all these ropes here, and we're going to go ahead and cut these ropes. And this will probably just fall down right on top of me here. Actually, it's still hanging in there. So we're going to go ahead and chop this down, because that's what we do. And a place where it'll fall peacefully. Now, we can take all the parts of that we've chopped down, and we can use it as fertilizer, because one of the best fertilizers for bananas is other bananas. So the rest of those banana parts are going to feed our other bananas. They might even feed the rest of this plant right here, which is the new pup growing. And we're going to go try these bananas. All right? See you guys. Bye.